Airborne. What to say about Airborne? She's one of those characters that, you know, gets released, like once 1 year, and takes a long break, and then gets released, multiple consecutive years after that. Because she was initially released in 2017 with her rubber tire release. She was then released in 2020. And then in 2022 with Superfly, and then again in 2023 with Breaker Bogs, Patty, Muddy, Rusty's Racing Centre Lightning McQueen, and just a regular Cruz Ramirez, and her most recent release being in 2024. But kind of good that she's got released. Re-released recently, because she is a pretty cool character. Much like all the other Demolition Derby races. There's of course, Superfly, Taco, Hit and Run, APB, RV Motorhome. Though he hasn't got released in a while. I'm pretty sure. When was the last time he got released? I actually don't know. I'll have to find that one out. But still, here we go. Airborne here, she is of course, a Demolition Derby racer who appeared in Cars 3. She's painted green, blue, and yellow. And with, the number 90 painted in red. She has her rear tyres and wheels, rear wheels. Well, they're bigger than the front ones. Don't exactly know why, and what benefits it has, but I don't know, maybe bigger, thicker tyres give you more traction. No. Well, actually, traction's not really what you want in a Demolition Derby. You want to be sliding around, hitting all the other cars. That's the fun bit. That's why you're there. You paid all that money to, see the crashing and the action. And if you've got loads of traction, then you won't spin, you won't crash, and you'll be boring, won't it? But as I said, she has a yellow, green, and blue. You're in yellow, green, and blue. Which pretty much order. You're in the rainbow, because red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Roy Gabiv, as they say. Still, she's got some yellow stripes. He should have been white. Hey, only true music fans will get that. Hey, on the back she has. Well, she looks quite damaged. Completely blue. No number plates. Although I don't really see why she'd need them. She's got looks like she's got thick rear tyres. Thick. Grippy, rear tyres. Actually, going back to my traction and grippy, don't really need it, but I guess it helps you, get off the line a bit better, I suppose. Just a thought. Still, there's not much on the underside. As most cars go. But hope you all enjoyed the video, and have a great day, folks.